Hello, this is lesson 25 in Journeys for grade 1, and these are our words to know. The text that we will be reading is called The New Friend. We have 8 words that we're going to go over, and I will say the definition and then read the sentence. The first word is city. A city is a place that has lots of buildings and lots of people. Buildings and homes are close together, as are stores, and there's schools nearby, and there's little communities. We live in the city of Buffalo. City. They moved to the city from the country. Number 2 is myself. Myself is when I'm talking about me. I took the box into the house all by myself. Number 3 is school. A school is a place where you go to learn. We attend Southside Elementary School. He met many new friends at school. Number 4 is party. A party is a celebration where people gather together and celebrate something exciting or special that's happening. A lot of people have a party for their birthday, or we have parties in school for some fun holidays. They had a party for their new classmate. Number 5 is 7. This is the word that stands for the number 7. She will bring 7 apples to school. Buy. Buy is when you purchase something. You go to a store or you go somewhere and you give the person money, and in return you get a product or a thing. She will buy a plant for her friend. Number 7 is please. Please is a very polite word to use. This is a manners word, and you say it when you would like something. Please play with us, they said. And the last word, number 8, is family. Family are the people that are related to you. Your mother and your father and sisters and brothers are all your immediate family. So are your grandparents and aunts and uncles and cousins. Some people have big families and some people have small families. Family. They invited the family to come in. These are the words to know. Look for them in the text, The New Friend, and now you'll be able to read them and you'll be able to understand what they mean as you read the story.